Good afternoon, guys. So it's time to look for a trade. The market is almost gonna close. Nasdaq decided to continue going higher. Okay, so market is exiting all those trades. We have great breakouts of the second ATR. This one was a good one. I think it applies very well to the ES, and this one that never pulled back. So we're gonna wait and see if we can. We are having good correlation to the upside too. Okay, you see the YM is pushing. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see if we can let the Nasdaq return. It's overextended. See the correlation down with an arrow that is a aggressive volume. We see an imbalance here in the Nasdaq trying to go lower. We can
order submitted.
Try and get a push here in the ES. See lots of selling, 296, 198. Those are big lots.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see if we can get the target quickly. Nasdaq is pushing down. See more sellers in the ES.
Short stop filled.
Stop me out. Okay, we're gonna place out
order filled.
order here. These guys don't want to short. We are seeing imbalance to the upside. Bottom fishing here. Let's see if these guys can push it up. Okay, let's see if we can catch this wave. See an imbalance in the micro ES. Yeah, this guy is bottom fishing here. You can see the balance over 1400 contracts. See buyers in the tape here. I'm up from the morning, guys. I made some good trades in the morning, so no problem here. The worst it can happen, I say, get break even. See the tape moving now. See buyers in the tape, and the Nasdaq is just still there. See an imbalance here, but it's very little, 499.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Minus 700. Gonna give it some room, so you see the prints in the time and sale, the magenta lines. We see the imbalance and then the magenta.
Short signal yes.
Then you know it's market is bearish. It's incredible. These guys just behave like the Nasdaq. It's very, very complicated to trade the ES these times, but it's less than the Nasdaq. Okay, we need to recoup the 700. See, we correlation down dot. See our correlation dot to the downside, the micro ES, and we see correlation on the mini Nasdaq and in the DYM. So this can be a good leg to the downside. You see
Short signal
1800
NQ.
contracts in 26 seconds. We see the magenta
Short signal yes.
wicks over here. The
Short
lines.
signal NQ.
We see a high frequency trading
Short signal
triangle here.
NQ.
We're in critical area here in the Nasdaq. You see we're in the second ATR.
Short signal yes.
Okay, let's see how far these guys can go. There goes the Nasdaq reversing.
Short signal NQ.
Here, there's the tape moving. 270, 432 contract short.
Short signal NQ.
There goes the NQ. Remember, if you don't have too much experience, you need to wait for the V pattern. Remember, I always tell you about the V pattern here in the micro ES. I mean on the Nasdaq. Okay, just wait for the market to rebound because there is always a rebound.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, almost there, guys.
Target filled.
Okay, we got two out. See buyers in the tape here. I'm gonna exit.
Order filled.
Market can reverse from here. Okay, guys, so we recouped the money and we did a little bit more. So that's it for today. Okay, so you have a wonderful weekend, guys, and remember to trade carefully, trade small. Okay, so it's very important because if you get into a hole, you saw I lost the first two transactions and I recoup later. So it's very important to trade small and cut your losses quickly. If something is not going to work, just close it. Okay, or be very careful. Okay, and just wait for the patterns, guard. There's always a time to trade. You will always, see there's patterns all over the place. Don't worry about if you don't trade in the morning or there's always a moment that you can trade, and there is a pattern always. Okay, so uh, market is breaking out of the ATRs all the time, so no need to rush. Okay, guys, so you see the imbalance pattern
Short
here.
signal NQ.
Got the reversal over here. You see that. Then we see the tape momentum, all magenta, when they broke here. So we see a high frequency trading triangle here. And this is all the clues that you need. You need to watch all this, and you need to put your puzzle together so you can understand what is going on in the market. So we see the the mini Nasdaq here, all this magenta print with correlation dot. So that's telling you something. Okay, so that's if it's if it's all over the place, you see over here in the micro ES the same thing. So another thing that you can do is that you can place one order, one contract. Okay, so and you can add, if you have the order entry tool, once the market advances. Okay, for example, the market you make one order here, just let the market 1 or 2 bars, so you have a cushion of $50 or something, and you can add the second position. Okay, if it reverses, the least that you can do is just lose a little bit because you have a cushion. Okay, so being these markets volatile. Okay, so that's what I always tell you, just be careful, don't put all the money into one whole trade. Just you can add to the position because the market is extending, is making big legs. Okay, so we're not into a contracted market right now. We're you need to change the way you trade, evolve with the market. The market it can give you good
Short signal NQ.
good
Short
legs,
signal
big
NQ.
legs, so you can make your profit.
Short signal
So
NQ.
that's all for today,
Short
guys. If
signal,
you're
yes.
interested in the system, you can contact me. I will be happy to send you any information that you would like to know. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.